John sold a fan at a loss of 7%. If he had sold it for rupees 48 more, he would have gained 5%. Find the cost price of the fan. Now, whenever profit percentage or loss percentage is given and you have cost price or selling price involved in it, you can easily use this equation. That is selling price equal to cost price into multiplier. Now, depending on if it is profit or loss, the concept of multiplier changes. If it is profit percentage, it becomes 1 plus fraction equivalent of the percentage. And if it is loss, the multiplier becomes 1 minus fraction equivalent of the percentage. Okay. So now in this case, we have loss of 7%. Okay. So therefore, the multiplier for that will be loss hai, so it will be this case. So 1 minus 7 upon 100. So this becomes 93 upon 100, or you can also write it down as 0.93. Now we have your 5% profit. So it becomes 1 plus 5 upon 100. That is 105 upon 100. So 1.05. Now using these multipliers with this formula, selling price 1 will be loss of 7%. Therefore, selling price 1 will be 93. Let's assume the cost price to be x. So it becomes selling price 1 is 0.93x. Selling price 2 will be 1.05x. Gained 5%. Now, what is the change we are doing? The person is selling it for 48 more. So the equation will be very simple. 0.93x plus 48 is equal to 1.05x. So therefore it becomes 48 is equal to 1.05x minus 0.93. That means 0.12x. Simplifying this, we get the value of x as 400. So that's our answer.